If YouTube TV audio is too low, even at maximum volume, it can be caused by device settings, app issues, or audio format mismatches. Here's how to fix it step by step. Step 1. Check your TV or sound system volume. Ensure the TV speaker's soundbar or AV receiver is set to an appropriate level. Disable any auto volume or night mode settings that reduce sound. Step 2. Restart the YouTube TV app. Close it completely and reopen it on your smart TV, Roku, Fire Stick, Apple TV, or mobile device. Step 3. Adjust YouTube TV audio settings. Open Profile, Settings, Surround Sound and toggle it off or change to stereo if using older speakers. Some devices can't handle Dolby Digital or 5.1 sound properly. Step 4. Check your HDMI or audio connections. Loose cables can reduce volume. Ensure all HDMI, optical, or ARC connections are secure. Step 5. Update your YouTube TV app and device software. Outdated apps can cause audio issues. Step 6. On mobile devices, disable Do Not Disturb or volume limiters, which can reduce playback volume. After following these steps, YouTube TV audio should return to normal, allowing you to enjoy shows, movies, and sports with clear sound. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more helpful YouTube TV guides.